It is about that time to whip out those air fryers once more, because we are about to make another one. This is a super crispy, oh so delicious air fried pork chops that'll knock your socks off, I'm telling you. And guess what? It is so easy to make. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest video. Leave your boy a like as well as a comment. Let me know what you think, and let's get started. To begin, we're going to be using about 4 bone-in pork chops, and on the screen here I have a list of every single ingredient you're going to be using to season up your pork chops to absolute perfection. And you know how we do it around here, we are not stingy with the seasoning. I don't even know what that means. We're going to go crazy with the seasoning and have them pork chops tasting right. You know what I'm talking about? We're gonna move on to that crispy crust, guys. It is so good and so flavorful. Again, on the screen I have a list of every single ingredient you're gonna be needing to get this together. I'm gonna get them all in a bowl, get them all mixed up and well combined, ready to move on to the next step. And these pork chops go perfect with some garlic mashed potatoes, some veggies, some gravy drizzled on top, guys. Oh my goodness, so good. So in the bowl here I have 2 eggs, and I'm gonna grab my pork chop, get it in that egg, shake off the excess, dip it in our crumb mixture, get it well coated, kind of pack it in there, make sure you know every surface of that pork chop is coated in that solution. And then we're gonna repeat that step until we have all our pork chops well coated. And I want to give a special shout out to all of our channel members: CJ William, Blaney Bow, Dimple 1021, Nigel the Realist, and Brendan Van Haltren. You guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate the support. Our channel membership comes with a lot of cool perks. Hit that join button down below to find out about them. You might be interested. Moving on, time to get these bad boys loaded in this air fryer. I'm gonna pack them in 2 at a time. I don't think it's necessary to spray it down with some non-stick spray, being that most of these air fryer trays are, non-stick coated, and you're not gonna really have much trouble with these. So you're gonna get them in there and get them cooking at 400 degrees for 8 to 10 minutes per side, guys. So that means you're gonna cook that first side for 8 to 10 minutes, pop it out, and you're gonna flip it and cook it for a additional 8 to 10 minutes on the other side. And this is halfway through the cooking process. Wow, I'm telling you, they look good already. These, man, I cannot wait for you guys to try these, because they're so good. And guys, when I tell you that, I mean it. You have to try this recipe. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it and get it back in for another 8 to 10 minutes. So this is how they should come out when they're fully cooked. Man, these are everything. These are so good. You have to try it, and when you do, don't forget to come back in the comments. Let me know what you think. You could plate this up with any side of your choosing, whether it be some mashed potatoes, whether it be some rice. Gotta have some veggies. You're gonna love it. I really hope you enjoyed watching this recipe, because I enjoyed making it, and I as well enjoyed putting it in my belly, because it was so delicious. And I want to give a special shout out to our channel members once more. And like I said, I appreciate all you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Deuces.